All you need to do this is to add your business location on Snapchat by using the OpenStreetMap. Snapchat gathers data from Bing Maps that uses OpenStreetMap. So go to onosm.org and update your business details on this map. After you add your business to OpenStreetMap, Snapchat relies on Foursquare and TripAdvisor to gather reviews for your business location. Once it's added to OpenStreetMap, you can now open Snapchat and promote that business by using the Promote Local Place option within the Business Snapchat settings. Like I said, your business needs to be added to the OpenStreetMap library in order for Snapchat to detect it, and it's gonna gather the reviews from TripAdvisor and Foursquare. I hope I was able to help you on how to add business location on Snapchat.